chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. It's mean a lot to me, and you're going to unlock great content like this that I'm going to present. I'm going to present you today just GUSD. So I tested the DAPP so far. I just created my first CDP. It's a collateralized debt position. I'm not quite sure if I'm spelling well, but it's a just to keep it simple. I could just created a CDP, but I'm going to present you the whole platform or the whole DAPP from point L to point Z. So let's go jump to the main section of the main interface of GUSD, everyone's stable coin, building the financial infrastructure for billions of people around the world, my friend. So the logo is pretty cool with a beautiful red. It's pretty straightforward. I love it. It's simple, seamless with the interface. Feature. It's stable. USDG. You create USDG when you create a CDP. I'm going to show you after that. USDG is backed by a huge amount of asset reserve to maintain price stability. I think right now the smart contracts, they have over 11 millions already locked into the smart contract. User-friendly, fast, efficient, and almost free USDG transfer service based on the Tron network. Borderless, available for anyone to open free account and own USDG anywhere, anytime. So this is the fact. The fee is meaningless when I created my CDP transfer from Bytrex to my Tron name wallet. So the fee is really low at the moment. And if you compare with Ethereum, that you can pay, I don't know how much. It depends on when the network is congested and a lot of people transact. The gas fee increased to the moon, but for now on Tron it's very low. Secure. World-class security is provided by blockchain-based smart contract. Fear. Anyone holding GSD can participate in the government of USDG currency system, then achieve decentralized autonomy, the true fairness. Prosperous. Just system access the thriving Tron ecosystem, and a large number of DAPP give everyone more chance to profit. Learn more. Just Portal, a one-stop services platform for managing CDP and USDG, offering an entrance into decentralized finance. Just Scan. View all data about USDG currency system. How to join on, you can participate in the governance, Telegram, and Twitter. So why will I use USDG? So USDG represents price predictable, low volatility unit of account. USDG can facilitate a wide range of financial activity that have previously been hampered by market speculation and instability. A decentralized digital economy needs stability in order to function. So this is really true. The USDG stablecoin represents a fundamentally new solution to this problem, making it sustainable for the wide range of financial activity: hedging, decentralized exchanges, exchange pair, financial market, merchant receipt, cross-border transaction and remittance, prediction market, and gambling. So they present you a variety. I'm going to put the link of why will I use USDG. So this is the main topic, the main utility, the main interface that you're going to interact with. I need some coffee in the meantime. For the love of crypto and coffee. And as well, subscribe to my outstanding, beautiful channel on YouTube, Crypto and Coffee. One of the best crypto creator in the world, my friend. The unique chez Satoshi. Okay, so let's go jump to the main subject of this vlog, spontaneous vlog. I love the freestyle. So as you can see, I just created my first CDP because I wanted to try to have a looking thing instead, just to say, oh, you can do that, but I want to put my hands on the fires. I love to try product and I love to discover, because that's motivates me to continue to produce great content of this kind. So as you can see, when you want to create a CDP, you need to buy Trons on the market. So I just buy probably $5 of Tron, about 199 TRX, and the minimum you can create a CDP, it's about 100 TRX. That's the minimum, bare minimum for creating a CDP on the free market. And as well, you need to keep a ratio of 150% when you want to mint your CDP. I'm going to show you. So basically, I just deposit this money. I click deposit. I put 100 CD Trons. Then I create my small contract. So I create a collateral ratio about 226%, because if you go too much at 150%, you have a chance that your CDP is going to be sell on the market, and you're going to lose money. So it's always better to keep your ratio higher. So I went to a conservative way. I put it around 250%, or I just make some few tests, and now it's about 226.895% my collateralization ratio. Collateralizations ratio. I have difficulty to spell this word in English. So as you can see, the liquidation price is about 0.016. So TRX, I have my CDP 2181 here. I deposit 101 TRX. So I have the equivalence, I don't know what is it, PTRX. And so the price on the market is about a CDP of $2.49 in USD value. And what is cool about that, so when you deposit a CDP with the collateralization ratio, you can mint the USDG. So when you create USDG, you can use this money, and you can do other things on the Tron network. You can gambling, you can put it on other investment, but you keep your Tron, but your CDP is open, but you generate your USDG that you can use for other purposes. And this is the beauty of that. So you can make you can generate more money out of it, so you can speculate. But the thing is, always make sure that you keep your collateralization ratio more higher than 150%, because if for some reason they have something that happened on the market, and something happened, and your correlation ratio is not kept barely at the 150%, your CDP is going to be sell on the market, and this you want to avoid this at any cost. So as you can see, as well, one other great features, I can withdraw Tron if I want. Max withdraw, I can out of it I can generate some TRX, but with the ratio I can withdraw TRX. I can as well withdraw, if I want, I can withdraw 0.84 USD or $35.29. It's pretty cool, huh? So I generated about USDG. I generated 0.563 USDG. So basically, I generate a CDP, and I can use the money generated here, and I can do other purpose. Pretty cool, isn't it? So as you can see here as well, another thing that I just found interesting. This is the scam, but I'm going to show you after that. So right now, if I have a summary, I have 55 cents of USD. I don't know if you accumulate money while you keep your ratio. I'm not quite sure about this, the utility of the GSD USD. This is their latest price. I don't have any GSD, so I mint some. I put over 100 TRX, and I created my ratio at $1 USD, and I don't have any GSD. I don't know if I accumulate GSD after that, so I'm not quite sure about the correlation about GSD and USDG. This is confusion about these two features. I'm not quite sure because it's not well explained on the website, or very sometimes when you create something like this, you need to explain with a user-friendly in mind, because even me, I am technical, I don't understand exactly all the parameter, to be honest, on this DAPP. So I have a global CDP recollection about 285%. This is all market. Probably they say they have Oracle that goes pull the information outside of the blockchain to make sure that the price is always accurate, like as you can see on the right side panel here. So out of the box, I know I can withdraw from CDP without sell anything. I can withdraw over 84 cents. So this is my understanding. Withdraw, I can send money. I can send TRX if I want, max available PA TRX. So you see, it's not very. So if I want to withdraw once, a CDP cannot be left with a DOS amount lower than 100. You have either leave more or withdraw the whole amount. Okay. I will not touch this for now. Let's go see for the scan what you can expect from the scan, my friend. So right now you have different panel. You have TRX collateralization 1 week, USDG. They have over 11.1 million locking in a smart contract. The price of GSD is about 0.5 cents. Interaction on 1 week, 120. So you see the number of CDP each day. So they had a big spike here, about 26 over 535 CDP. So you see all the people that may create a CDP on this. This is the one I think I just created this morning. The 2181 draw 100 PTRX. And as well, another features, I'm not quite sure. You can, with your Tron, you can have a presentation of warped version of Trons. As you can see, I have 95 Tron, so I can wipe if I want. This is the remaining I have on my wallet, I believe, on my Tron May. I'm not quite sure, but you can swap a version of wiped Tron. I don't see the value to do it, but you have the options to do it with JOS. So you can, if you want a representation of this. So basically, it's the same equivalent. A warped version is 1-for-1. Now you can wrap your Bitcoin on Ethereum as well, but now you can do a version of swapping TRX with the swapping TRX on JOS. I'm not quite sure about this utility. This is something I'm confused about this option as well. So governments, you need to have another token okay, so the GSD is to you need to buy GSD on the market. I'm not quite sure if you can generate the governance token from JOS. I'm not quite sure about at this stage, or if you need to buy it on the free market and then to participate on the governance token. It's quite confusing. Normally you should mine GSD if you like a token like on Compound. But right now, I'm not quite sure how to mine the GST to be able to participate, or if you need to buy it on the free market. I'm not quite sure. So you need to lock GSD to vote for the proposal on the governance on this. Something that is really strange. I just checked this issue this morning, and you see the top supporter. One guy's vote with 95% of the ratio for that, so it's not very decentralized. If a big guys can just push bottom, normally you should one vote for real governments, but if somebody's just vote with one address, Tron address with 95%, what's the value to do governance? So I take that with grain of salt. This is my personal stock. I believe this is not true governance when someone can vote for 95% with another one with 4.92%, about 99%. So your voice will not be worth anything. So do you believe that is worth to mint GSD in that case, or participate in the governance? I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite confident. So make your own research, but I don't believe it's worth it to have two actors that control 99% of the vote. So a real decentralization is when the GSD it's spread among many players and they have an equilibrium and a true governance system. In that case, it's like more a dictatorship, because if two peoples can vote for 99%, so mostly all the you power it 0.0000000. In my case, I will vote, I would be 0 stop supported. Anyway, this is my spontaneous talk about it. So this is another version that I just uploaded before. It's simply a version of the WTRX that I don't see the value to put it on Just. This is my spontaneous talk. And this is the team. The Just Foundation has dynamic and elite team. And the technical team, 50% of the employees come from Alibaba, Transcend, IBM, and other world-class internet companies with rich experience in project design. Instead, just to show the world, you say Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Alibaba, why not to put the real face of real people? Instead, just, yeah, our team work for top-notch company, but I would like to see face, and this is something that you need to adjust, put the real team behind it, that we can contact and interact with those team from Just. And as well, have the white paper here, the USDG stablecoin system white paper. So HTTP Just Network. As you can see, the white paper, I will not read it. I invite you just to go see it, to read it for yourself, because I don't want to spend 30 minutes just to read it. So they have description about USDG stablecoin. They have the infrastructure, and they explain what is a collateralized positions that I just created here on the main interface. No, here on the portal. It takes some time to load. So I just wanted to test it, just test the water. I'm not quite confident at the moment if I will use it or not, but it's important to me to test it and to go see what other outside of the Ethereum, what the new DAPP that pop from the DeFi trends, because I love DeFi, decentralized finance, to have an option B instead to use a bank account and then transact in the real market. But sometimes it's cool to have an option B to be able to decentralize it, and everyone, even the all-banking, can create CDP and participate in this ecosystem, and then you can create wealth, and that's appeal to me. And anytime you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. If you have any question, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section of this spontaneous vlog about Just. And as well, take action. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Please subscribe. And as well, come visit my outstanding website, Satoshi.com. And have a great week ahead. Have a great day. See you on the next vlog video. Ciao, ciao.